Hey guys, it's Ariel Grey. Welcome back to my channel. It's 3 in the morning. My voice is sore. I'm under a lot of stress. And I want to change my hair color because who doesn't at 3 in the morning? I have blonde highlights in my hair. I've had them for a few months and they've been fun, but I'm kind of over them at this point. I was gonna go full blonde and then do like a color, like gray or anything or something, but I was like, nah. That sounds like a lot of work that I don't want to do, and I don't want to sit in someone's chair and pray for the best because I don't know a good, colorist in my city, except for me. I have some Ariel Grey left over from Brad Mondo, and I'm pretty sure my highlights are light enough. There might be like 1 or 2 sections where I'm like, I think I'm gonna have to like bleach out of them tomorrow so that it holds the color. If it doesn't work, but I'm hoping it does. And this is let me shake it because this is kind of old. It's like 6 months, a year actually old. It's a dark gray. Good thing I have a new one because I bought 2 because I really like this color. It was limited edition and I was like, I like it.
Duh.
I am not gonna waste any time because I want this to process for at least an hour in my hair before I go to sleep, which means I'm gonna be in the shower at like 4:30 in the morning. This color isn't gonna grab onto my natural hair color. It's too dark, so I'm just gonna like grab some and just brush it all over my hair. I think that would be like the best approach. So like, I can't believe I'm actually doing this, but I'm gonna.
Are you worried? Don't worry.
I'm using the camera as a mirror, and I have a mirror right behind me, so that just shows you how smart I am at 3 in the morning. I might need the mirror. I'll just hold it. It's fine. I'm like excited because I do want gray hair and it's freaking December and I always have gray hair in the winter. But this year I just have so much going on with the lawsuits that I'm handling because I'm working as a paralegal for my family, doing a lot of that I probably have no business doing, but I'm doing anyways. This section right here is what I'm worried about. I don't think it's gonna grab, but everything else should, so I won't be too mad. It looks like a mess, I know, but trust the process. Because I am. I could have just as easily waited till tomorrow to do this, but in all honesty, like, I've been saying I'm gonna do this for like a week now, and it's just, I just don't want to keep postponing it. I want something new in my hair. This is another section where I'm worried that it might not grab, but that's okay. We're gonna put it on and hope for the best. I actually have a lot of videos coming out. I keep recording and I haven't had the patience or the time to really edit my videos, and I'm thinking maybe I should just hire somebody to start editing my videos from here on out. There's not much left in here, which is nice.
Bombastic side eye.
It's 3 in the morning. Why do you always drop stuff at 3 in the morning? I don't drop anything in my life. There's not much left, so I'm just gonna like fill up my hair with it. And it's okay if this one gets on my skin because it's not color. Like, oh, it's not dye. It's not gonna develop on my skin. It's Brad Mondo's line is like colored conditioner basically, so it leaves your hair in better shape than what you started with. My trick for deep conditioning is you just get a really good conditioner, and if you have super dry hair, you put it on dry hair. If not, you leave it in the shower for like 10 minutes. Sometimes longer, 10, 20 minutes. Oh, that looks cool. What was that? Jesus, there was somebody in my high school that I would see every day because I used to ride the bus, and they would have a freaking mohawk like this, like high. Just trying to make sure that everything is like fully saturated and I didn't like miss a piece or something. But yeah, guys, I've been a little busy trying to get back down with my weight because I lost weight and then I went a little bit back up because of my injury. I have 2 injuries right now, actually. My back is injured right now, and so is my leg. So I'm slowly like gaining weight, but I'm trying to like stay on it so I don't gain more than what I could avoid, I guess, gaining. Cool. I love the cap on this. I'm Mexican, so like I want to keep this container, but at the same time I'm like, no. And I do have another one. If this doesn't work, I have a blue that I can throw in here. I could just go straight to black, but let's hope it works. Let's hope I only have to bleach 1 or 2 spots if it doesn't hold. Because anything more than that, I'm gonna be really pissed. So this is what my hair looked like before. Ooh, magic. Ooh, editing. I will see you guys in a little bit. Wish me luck, because I kind of need it today. So hey guys, this is what my hair looks like after I dyed it. You can see there's like streaks of gray in here. I am not a fan of this. I did not like it. I do not like it. So now I'm gonna cut my hair and probably bleach the hell out of it and change the color, but I am not happy with this. I mean, it worked. Somebody who might want tiny little streaks, but the thing is I already have like brown in my hair, so it's like black, brown, and highlights, plus I have a section over here that was just too dark for it to like dye. So let's see what I do to fix this. But I will see you guys. I'm gonna cut my hair right now, so I'll probably post that video like right after this one. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.